to Hit That Button. I'm your host, Knox Wagner. It's time to meet the contestants. Our first contestant, the 27-year-old gambler from Las Vegas, Nevada, Christian Wright.
Guys, we're just gonna wing it, okay?
Hey, give me back! That's my lifetime savings!
Our next contestant is a 39-year-old doctor from Dallas, Texas. And our last contestant, a 34-year-old professor from Harvard, Devin Monk. Well, that's our contestants. So now it's time to hit that button. Okay, let's start. The first round is adding integers. First question, what is 4 plus minus 4?
13.
I'm sorry. That's incorrect.
Yes!
Well, you start out with 4, and then you're adding a negative. So you're basically just subtracting 4 from 4. So it's 0.
That is correct. You get 1 point. For round 2, it's about subtraction with integers. What is 16 minus negative 8?
13.
Again, I'm sorry, but 13 is incorrect.
Yes!
Well, 16 minus negative 8. You're just subtracting a negative, and when you subtract negatives, it's just like adding. So 16 plus 8 is 24.
That is correct! That button. It's time for round 3.
Okay.
It's multiplying integers. Okay, the first question is minus 2 times 6.
13.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect.
Yes!
Negative 2 times 6. Negative 2 and 6 are unlike signs, and when you are multiplying, unlike signs end up being a negative number. So 2 times 6 is 12, and when you make it a negative, that is negative 12.
That is correct! Now, the score is 3-0 to 0. Question 2. What is 12 times 12?
13.
Again, that's incorrect. Woohoo!
12 times 12 is just normal multiplying, and they are like signs, so it would be a positive number. 12 times 12 is 144.
Again, Devin, that is correct. Now it's time for round 4, division with integers. This will also have 2 questions. Okay, first question. What is minus 49 divided by minus 7?
13.
Incorrect.
Minus 49 divided by minus 7. Negatives, and they are like signs, so the answer will be a positive. So it's just like 49 divided by 7, and the answer would be 7.
That is correct. Question number 2. What is minus 8 divided by 2?
13.
Negative 8 divided by 2. They are unlike signs, so it would be a negative number for the answer. And that would be negative 4.
That is correct. That is 2 points to Devin. It is time for the last question. The most difficult question that has ever been asked on Push That Button. Drum roll, please. What is 21 minus 8?
13.
That is correct! No! Why? Okay, Okay, and also the second part of the question is, can you explain it?
No, I can.
Okay.
21 minus 8 is subtracting 28 from 21. And 13 plus 8 is 21, so the answer is 13.
I guess you could say you both got it right. So, it's time for the mystery prize. Another drum roll, please, but louder. It is